Hello, and I got another makeup video for you. Today's video, I'm going to recreate the eyeshadow look from the gorgeous girl in the Watermelon Sugar High music video. I didn't know her name, but if you guys know, let me know down in the comments below. And also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I actually forgot the intro, so you can see me talking in this video, but I'm just going to do a voiceover anyway. So give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get on to the video.
Stars shining bright above me. Breezes seem to whisper sycamore tree. Dream a little dreamer.
First thing I want to do is to set my brows with powder. I already did my brows off camera because I think it's a long process. But if you guys want to know how I did my brows, you can guys check it out in my Instagram. I did it in my IGTV. And yeah, I just set it with powder and dust it away with a big floppy brush. By the way, I decided to make my brows lighter today because I think dark brows will look too bold when I have red hair, so I just use a brown eyeshadow. Time for primer, and I'm using my Wet n Wild as always, and I'm just going to focus it on the spot where I have larger pores, which is my cheeks and my nose and also my chin. As you can see, my face is a bit oily today since the weather is too hot, so I'm going to set my primer with powder. So I'm going to get rid of that extra shine on my face. This is the technique I never tried before, but since I'm going to do something a little bit different in this video, why not try it? And I ended up loving it in the end. Since I want to look perfect today but still maintain that natural kind of look, I'm going to color correct the dark spots on my face, like under my eyes and the side of my nose and the side of my mouth, and I'm going to blend the concealer using my fingers. I also blend it on my eyelids so that it will be the base for the eyeshadow later on, because the eyeshadow I'm going to use is too light for my skin, so I need a very light base for it. Now I'm going to mix two foundations together to get my bronzy shade. I'm going to mix 335 and 310 using a beauty sponge. Now when I blend my foundation, I use a tapping motion instead of swiping motion so that I will get a lot of coverage in the product, and it will cover up the concealer on my face. As you can see, my foundation is a bit too dark than my natural skin tone, but that's okay because I ran out of bronzer, so this foundation will make me look sun-kissed. I also put a little bit on my forehead, but I don't think it is needed since I have bangs and it will cover my huge forehead, and also on my neck. Now that I look absolutely orange, I'm going to apply cream highlight on my cheekbones and the tip of my nose. This is optional, but I just want to put fake freckles on my face and I want to go overboard with it because I think it will make the look more natural. If you don't want to, you don't have to, but I just love fake freckles on my face when it comes to natural look. I haven't shown it on camera, but I pat the freckles on my face with beauty sponge before I set it with a pressed powder. And since I'm going to use a pastel color and I'm expecting a lot of fallout later, I'm going to bake under my eye so that if there are fallout on my face, I will just easily sweep it away with the powder. I'm also setting the bridge of my nose and also my chin as an act of highlight or contour highlight. And since I don't have that lavender shade of eyeshadow, I'm just going to improvise and use what I have. And I'm starting with a dark blue color and I'm just going to pack it on my lids. But if you have lavender eyeshadow, you can just pack it on your lids and you don't have to blend it away, just pack it on. And I'm just using my fingers, by the way. Then I'm going to mix it with this purplish shade using a flat brush. The color is looking a bit too harsh, so I'm going to blend it on my crease. And also, I'm going to add white eyeshadow and pack it on the top of the purple shade. And this will make the color look lavender instead of dark purple or dark blue purple. Mixing the colors together is very challenging but at the same time very fun for me because I get to play with them. So if you guys are on the budget like me, you can also do this because I think pastel colors are really hard to find on cheap palettes like I have, and they are hard to find. I guess that's what I've been told. And yeah, you can just improvise if you have palette like me. It's only 374 pesos for a lot of shades and you can buy it on Shopee at Beauty Glaze shop. The look is slowly coming in together, but I just want to add a little bit of thin line on my top lash line. Now you guys can see the difference between my rounded eyes and the foxy eyes. Now I'm going to apply the champagne shimmer color on the inner corner of my eyes. You can just skip this part if you want to and just apply mascara if you have long lashes. But since my lashes are invisible, I'm going to add false eyelashes. I also add that pinky purple on the lower lash line of my eyes. Time to contour my nose, and for this part I got frustrated with it, so I got a lot of trials and error here because I enhanced the tip of my nose to make it a button shaped nose, but it didn't work for me, so it's going to be a long process by contouring my nose. I tried copying the structured buttoned nose of the gorgeous girl in the music video, but it didn't work for me because I'm not expert in contouring my nose, and my nose is a little bit big. It's not for a model. But yeah, you can just work with the shape of your nose if you want to, and don't try to copy me in this part. I'm going to need a lot of practice with this. Also, if you guys notice the little strange noise in the background, I'm sorry for it because you guys know I'm living in a very noisy house. So I just fix my nose with lighter powder. Time for contouring the cheekbones, and what I did is to apply the contour higher up than the usual spot where I contour my cheekbones, and it's going to make my look lifted and have that supermodel cheekbones. I also apply heavily on my double chin so that it will hide it away, and also on my jawline. I also apply blush, but it's not on my usual apple of the cheeks. I apply it higher than the usual spot where I put my blush on, so it will appear lifted just like the contour. And also apply highlight on my cheekbones. Now time for lips. I'm taking the brown darkest nude lipstick I got, and I'm going to use it to overline my lips. I'm going to create that Ariana Grande lips, and I'm not going to draw a cupid's bow. Then I'm going to add that lighter nude lipstick I got and apply it on the center of my lips. Sorry. The lips are looking a bit ashy, so I'm going to add that red lipstick on the center of my lips, so it will create an ombre kind of effect. Now I'm going to use that concealer and fix the shape of my lips. I'm just touching up my contour and we're already done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!